1.019 kilogram block, and of course it has a weight. Weight equals mg, in this case will be 10 newtons. There's a reaction force, and we're told there's a 2 Newton horizontal force to the right here, and there's a friction force which is 1/10 the reaction force. So here the reaction will equal 10 newtons, and the friction, which we're told is 1/10, will then have to be 1 Newton. So the net picture is 1 Newton force to the right. Since F equals ma, A will equal F over m, which will be 1 over 1.019. Hit that in on the calculator, 1 divided by 1.019, and we get 0.98 meters per second squared. Now in the second part, the only difference is that the force acts at an angle this time of 20 degrees. So then this becomes 2 cos 20, and this one here becomes 2 sin 20. So we have a slightly different equation. Or plus 2 sin 20 will equal 10. So or will be 10 minus 2 sin 20. 10 minus 2 sin 20 is 9.3, and 1/10 of that is the friction, so the total force will be 2 minus that, and then divide by m, 1.019, so we get 1.048 this time for part 2, 1.048 meters per second squared. So the reason for the different answer in the second part is because the friction is different, so the total force is different, and the friction is different because the reaction is different, and the reaction is different because the force is at an angle. So it has a slight change to the total acceleration. Its acceleration is greater because there's less friction, and there's less friction because the ground is not pushing into the base of the block as hard as it was in the first part.